Hello, Panther students and parents. Welcome to a new school year and welcome to Grambling Central High School. I am Cheryl Wortham. I have worked for Grambling County Public Schools for 23 years. I teach world history face to face, and I also teach American History 1 and 2 via Granville Online. I am so excited about this academic year. I look forward to teaching you and seeing you grow and learn during this year. World history is one of the best subjects to take because we will explore various topics that encompass ancient times and modern times. All of my class materials can be found on Power School Learning, which is formerly Haiku. On this page, you will find important announcements from me, course information, course materials, and also some helpful links to some very important resources. If you have any questions or concerns, you may reach me via email at any time. My email address is worthamc@gcs.k12.nc.us, or you may phone the school's main line, 919-528-5530, and leave me a message. I am so excited about this school year, and I can't wait to see each of you on the very first day of school.